Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, here's the first one. 14. WY bisects UV at Y. It's possible that I could just ask you to draw a figure to represent the situation. And if you did not give me the congruent marks here, I would mark you wrong, right? Because bisect means cut in half, and when you cut in half, you have the same on the left side as on the right side. So you have to give me the congruent marks. UY is x minus 7. YV, 3x minus 29. And then you're supposed to solve for UV. Who's got the setup? Anybody here got the setup for 14? Avery?
I got it.
Avery, what do you got?
What is UV?
Nope, I want to know the setup.
How I set it up?
Yeah.
I put W.
Oh, set it up algebraically.
Okay.
Tell me the algebraic
I can't
setup.
help you there.
Okay, you can't help me there. Gavin, help me here.
X equals negative 11.
Okay. This is just the setup. You're jumping ahead. Just the setup. Luke.
Mr. Geometry here. X minus 7 equals 3x minus 29.
Okay, why'd you set it up like that?
Because since it's a bisect, they're cut in half.
Yes?
And they're both
Hey,
equal.
on this side.
Oh.
Keep going, Luke.
They're both equal, which means if you put the equal sign.
Yes,
then
they're both
it's
equal
all
because we have a
bisect.
bisect
Cut
and
in half.
midpoint. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the setup. Remember, there's two types of setup, a segment addition setup, but we only use that if we don't have a midpoint, okay? And a midpoint and bisect setup. All right, so here we go. We solve for x here. Plus 29, so 20. I got x equals 11. Was that the right
Yeah.
answer for x?
Yeah.
Okay. We want to find UV. So now what? Because I only have x, but how do I find UV? Yep.
You plug the x value into one of the sides.
It doesn't matter which one. Why doesn't it matter? You're right.
They're equal.
Yeah, they're going to be the same. So if we plug it in here, what do you get? Okay, we plug it into the left side.
4.
4. You plug it into the right side, what do you get?
4.
4.
So you add them
So
together.
yeah, so what is UV then?
8.
Yes.
You can add them together or you just double it.
Oh, I got it.
So if you didn't enter it with a capital U, capital V equals 8, if you didn't enter it exactly like that, it would have gotten marked wrong on your Google form, and that's going to be the same way on your quiz. Okay. Question?
Do we put a space
No,
between like the equals? and
No
the
spaces.
Or no?
no spaces. Are we good with 14? That should have helped with 13. Okay, let's go to 18.
Puzzle.
K is between J and M. L is between K and M. Now I'm kind of marking them like they're the halfway in between, but I have no idea. M is between K and N. Well, I don't have an N, so I need to make one. M is between K and N. JN, whole thing, is 30. KM is 8. JK equals KL equals LM. How do I mark that here? Avery?
That they're equal or congruent,
Uh-huh. So what's the mark that I put on here?
2 lines.
The lines?
Yes,
Yes. You could do 2. You want to do 2, 2, 2?
sure.
Sure. Okay. JK, KL. So you can do 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. It doesn't matter for the congruent text how many you do as long as they're all the same. Okay, so I think I have everything marked. I'm trying ultimately to find MJ. She's right here. But I don't know that part, except I kind of do.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is this? What number should
Four.
be? What? 4. This one?
4.
This one?
4.
Yeah. So MJ is.
12.
Somebody earlier today said that they wrote it in as JM, and they got counted wrong. They said I would go back and give you credit for that because JM and MJ are the same thing. So it did probably count you wrong because in the answer key I just put this one, just because that's how it's titled here. But if you put JM equals 12, I'll give you credit for that.
What if I just like put it in wrong on my thing, but on my paper it's right?
Oh, then that means you actually know how to do it.
Okay.
Just be careful when you take the quiz to enter it
Yeah.
correctly. But at least you know how to do it. Any others? No? You feel confident if I give you a problem like that on the quiz?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Whoa,
good.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Wait, when is the quiz?
Thursday. Tomorrow.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
And you got the wrong.
No, I tried.
You did try.
I did. Without even attempting.